Okay, I'm just playing with this video software, so I'm just going to do something kind of quick. And I just want to explain how to have multiple web pages like we have out here. Let me get there. Out on the navigation system that has attachments. So here we have documentation for Airstream. And then if you go out here, you have documentation for dealers. And if you notice, these look identical because they are. The only difference is the record set that it's filtering on. Another one we have is the policy manual. Although there's only one record, it's actually all the same web page, just has different criteria. The way this is set up is on this web page here, which right now only Airstream super users can get to. So documentation for Airstream, the documentation for dealers, policy manual, which we've just saw. I'm going to add video and the warranty system to the menu system. But if we ever needed to create a new one, what we would have to do is go into SQL and add the record. And that in turn would drive this list box, so it might need modified in order to have more records, but then it would also drive these moving on. I'll let that restart. I don't need it right at the moment. Came back already. Although I'm not logged in, it thinks I am, so that's okay for what we're doing. So all these files get stored into a table of attachments, and these attachments are just identified by a record type. So here we have like the RGA or the complaint, and these are related to RGA number 22 or RGA number 1, so on. The documents that I just showed you are numbered differently, and they have their own sequence. So I just wanted to see if they got renumbered. We have a package in SSIS that does renumber them, and so that kind of keeps everything, gives us gaps. So you can see here, there's warranty policies. Let's see what else we got in here. I think we have some videos. Yeah, there's at least one. So that's where that is. So to create, if we had to create another page, obviously we just have to modify the database a little bit, just add a record. The next step would be to take this, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy it twice. Okay, take this file, any of these that start with a DOX, and I just named them that so they could be easily found. And I want to just paste it and paste it again. So let's take a look. So what it does, it calls up this page, and if you notice, it calls up an attachments page, and then you set the parameter, and that parameter would come from here. So let's go ahead and create this one, and just so I spell it exactly the same, I'm going to go ahead and drop that in there. Close and save, and So I went to the first one, and then let's go ahead and rename it. Get rid of this. Okay, so there's that. And now I'm going to rename, I'm going to go into this one, and I can see there that is the video. So I'm going to change the filter for video. Oops. So it's going to open up the same web page as the other one, docs.aspx, and then now set the parameter to video. So that's done. And save that, and let's go ahead and rename. That, so these two are now dated for today. So then really the next step is just to add the page to E2B's navigation. So I will do that. Okay, so I have it back now, and you can see here we have training videos which I've added. I've also gone in and modified the warranty policy. So now it's a nice, neat thing kind of tucked away. So let's go back to the training videos. If you notice again, exact same form, just different parameters. And this will be very easy for Airstream to go in and maintain into the future.